Hi everyone! Sometimes customers need to add items or make changes after placing an order. This system lets you quickly update orders without starting from scratch. Today, we'll walk through how to modify an order by adding products and adjusting details. Let's start by accessing an order that needs editing. When we need to modify an existing customer order, we start right here on our Orders screen, where all orders are organized by date for easy access. We can quickly locate and select any order, like this one for Amara Okafor, with a simple tap. The order details instantly appear, and we can immediately enter edit mode by tapping the pencil icon, giving us full control to update the order as needed. That's how you access and open a customer's order for editing. Now we'll add a pair of sneakers to this order. When we discover additional items like sneakers in the customer's bag, we can easily add them to the order by selecting the Sneaker Add-on option. That's how you add sneakers to the customer's order. Now we'll add a blanket and include photo proof for verification. The sneakers are now added to our order. Next, let's add the blanket we discovered and tap Blanket to get started. We can quickly select the exact type we need. In this case, we'll choose Small, Standard, to match what we found. Here's a powerful feature. We can document this addition with photo proof by simply tapping the camera icon. The camera opens instantly, allowing us to capture clear documentation of the blanket for our records. We can review the photo quality and confirm it's by tapping Use Photo. Excellent! The photo is now attached as proof, and we can finalize adding this blanket to the order. That's how you add items with photo proof to verify the product. Now we need to adjust the weight for accurate price calculations. We can easily adjust the weight for any item by simply tapping on the weight field. The number pad makes it quick to update the exact weight. Let's change this to 16.50 pounds. To document our weight adjustment, we can capture photo evidence by tapping the camera icon. We take a clear photo showing the actual items to verify the weight change. We confirm the photo looks good and add it to our order documentation. With our photo proof attached, we can now finalize all changes by updating the order with the latest items and adjustments. And that's how simple it is to adjust the weight for any item in the order. Now we'll confirm and finalize these changes to complete the order update. We can instantly confirm all our changes with a single tap on Confirm Update. The system processes our order modifications seamlessly in the background. Excellent! We get immediate confirmation that our order has been successfully updated, and we can tap Done to finish. Notice how the main orders list automatically refreshes to show Amara Okafor's updated order total, keeping everything synchronized. And we can instantly verify our changes by expanding the order to see all the latest items we've added. And that's it. Your order update is saved and ready to go. Making changes to customer orders is now quick and straightforward, whether you're adding items or updating details.